Um, I'll be singing Till I Can Make It On My Own by Billy Gilman. Hope you enjoy. I need time to get you off my mind, and may sometimes bother you. Try to be in touch with you, even if too much of you from time to time. Now and then, don't you know I will need a friend till I get used to losing you. Let me keep on using you till I can make it on my own. I get by, but no matter how I try, little bit that's what you have called. Just how my tears we fall. Now I have no pride at all. From time to time, but they say, oh, there'll be a brighter day till I'm not living on you. That's all I need to do till I can make it on my own. Surely someday I will look and see the falling sun. Will I another lonely night behind me? Now I know I'm over you and all my crying stop, and no more hurting memories inside me. But till then, Lord, you know I'm gonna need a friend till I get used to losing you. Let me keep on using you till I can make it on my own. Till I can make it